Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about selfie ideas and the importance of taking selfies. If you're looking for inspiration for your next photo, keep watching. Selfies are a fun way to capture memories, express your personality, and boost your confidence. They help us document special moments and share our experiences with friends and family. Here are some simple selfie ideas you can try. Take a selfie near a window using natural light for a soft and beautiful look. Remember, the best selfies are the ones that reflect your true personality. You don't need expensive equipment. Good lighting, confidence, and a genuine smile can make all the difference. Endless selfie poses, angles, and aesthetic photography ideas. You can save your favorite inspirations and recreate them in your own unique way. I hope these selfie ideas inspire you to take amazing photos and create wonderful memories.
包出边的拍照口诀，拍侧面低头，拍侧面抬头，拍背面转头发。